fragments, the more delicate the sound. It's a gentle whisper compared to the thunderous roar of the larger pieces. These tiny shards like the delicate notes of a wind chime, adding a subtle, intricate layer to the overall composition. This isn't just destruction, it's a performance. Every strike, every shatter is a carefully choreographed act. It's about the artistry of the break, the precision of the hit, and the beauty of the resulting chaos. It's about savoring the process, the anticipation, the release. The moment before the strike is filled with tension, a quiet before the storm. You can feel the energy building, ready to be unleashed in a burst of sound and motion. And the sweet, sweet reward. The broken pieces are not just remnants of destruction, they are treasures to be savored. Each shard holds a burst of flavor, a reminder of the satisfying crunch that created it. It's a sensory experience, a journey from anticipation to fulfillment, from tension to release, from sound to taste. The satisfying crunch is more than just a sound, it's a moment of pure, unadulterated joy. Section 5, Mixing the Rainbow, a kaleidoscope of colors. We have our shards. Now let's make some magic. Grab a bowl, pour in the colorful fragments, red next to green, blue beside yellow, like a painter's palette, but tastier. Swirl them around, mix them up. Watch as the colors dance and blend. This is where the real art begins. Each swirl is a brush stroke. Each blend, a masterpiece in the making. Just like a rainbow in the sky, our bowl of candy is a spectrum of joy. Each color represents a different flavor, a different emotion. Imagine the delight on a child's face when they see this vibrant mix. It's not just candy, it's a burst of happiness. You can even create patterns with the colors. Arrange them in a way that tells a story, your story. Watch as the pieces come together, forming a beautiful mosaic. It's a process that requires patience and creativity. Gently mix the pieces, allowing the colors to blend seamlessly. Each movement is deliberate, each swirl intentional. The slow-motion swirl of colors is mesmerizing, almost hypnotic. It's like watching a living painting. And there it is, the final masterpiece, a bowl of perfectly blended colors, each piece contributing to the whole. Now reach in and pick a piece. Taste the magic you've created. The taste is as delightful as the colors. Each bite is a burst of flavor, a moment of joy. Place the bowl on your kitchen counter, let it catch the sunlight. Watch how the colors come alive, reflecting the light. The colors shimmer and shine, creating a kaleidoscope effect. It's a feast for the eyes and the soul. Share this creation with your loved ones. It's not just about the candy, it's about the moments you create together. Pass the bowl around. Let everyone take a piece. Each piece is a part of the whole, just like each person is a part of your life. And even when the bowl is almost empty, the memories you've created will last forever. A kaleidoscope of colors, a masterpiece of flavors, a memory to cherish. This is the magic of mixing the rainbow. Section 6. Glitter bomb. Adding a touch of sparkle. Want to add some pizzazz? Time for glitter, gold, silver, rainbow, anything goes. Sprinkle it on top of the sugary shards. A little goes a long way. Watch it sparkle and shine. It's like adding stars to our sugary galaxy. The glitter catches the light. It adds a touch of magic. Our creation is almost complete. Section 7. The grand reveal. A feast for the eyes. This is the moment you've been waiting for, the culmination of all your hard work and creativity. It's time to unveil your masterpiece. Step back and admire your work. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate details, the vibrant colors, and the overall design. You've created something truly special, a vibrant, sparkling tapestry of sweetness. The colors pop, the glitter shimmers. Each piece of candy is a tiny work of art, reflecting the light in a dazzling display. It's a feast for the eyes. The array of colors and shapes is mesmerizing. From the deep reds to the bright yellows, every hue is represented in this candy wonderland. And soon for your taste buds. The anticipation builds as you prepare to taste your creation. Each piece promises a burst of flavor, a delightful experience for your senses. But it's more than just candy, it's a testament to creativity. Each piece represents a moment of inspiration, a burst of imagination brought to life. It's a testament to creativity. The careful arrangement, the thoughtful design, all speak to the artistry involved in candy making. It's a craft that combines precision with passion, a reminder that even destruction can be beautiful and delicious. The act of crushing candy, breaking it apart, reveals new textures and forms. It's a playful reminder that beauty can be found in unexpected places. Time to enjoy the sweet reward. Savor each bite. Let the flavors dance on your tongue. This is the moment to indulge, to celebrate your hard work and creativity. Enjoy every delicious moment. Section 8. The science of satisfaction, why we love it. Why is this so satisfying? It's science, the sound, the visuals, the transformation. It triggers something in our brains. We love to create, and we love to see things break. The act of crushing releases endorphins. These are hormones that make us feel good. It's a stress reliever, a mood booster, a sweet, sweet escape. Section 9. Unleash your inner artist, experiment and explore. Don't be afraid to experiment, add different candies, try new crushing techniques. The possibilities are endless. Make it your own. Dip the lollipop shards in chocolate. Use them to decorate a cake. Get creative. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's about having fun and letting your imagination run wild. Section 10. Sharing the sweetness, spreading the joy. Show off your creation. Share it with friends. Post it on social media. Spread the joy of lollipop art. Let's inspire others to unleash their inner artist. Start a trend. Create a challenge. The world needs more sweetness and more art. Who knew destruction could be so delicious? Section 11. Conclusion. A sweet symphony of creativity. So there you have it, the art of lollipop shattering. It's messy, it's loud, it's wonderfully satisfying. It's a reminder that even in destruction there's beauty and creativity. So go forth, grab a lollipop and unleash your inner artist. Let the sweet symphony of destruction begin.